My name is Oliver Petzold. I'm the CEO and co-owner of Bunny Nature. Bunny Nature has been founded in 1988 in Germany, and we are specialists since more than 30 years producing food and healthy nutrition for small animals. Pet Fair Southeast Asia is a wonderful place, a wonderful exhibition. For us, very important because Southeast Asia sum up to of more than 700 million people, so therefore it's a very important exhibition to take place. Yes, I'm very satisfied. The service, the entire team, the organization is brilliant and very precise, very supportive, and many visitors. We meet here our partners, and it's a very professional exhibition. And Bangkok as a city, it's wonderful. Wonderful place to meet. At the moment, the pet industry is focusing on health, on healthiness, on solutions of very healthy nutrition, and that this becomes more and more important. And the humanization factor of pets becomes more and more important, and the interactivity between pet and pet owner to create stronger bonds is also becoming more and more important. The target groups we would like to meet are B2B wholesalers from Southeast Asian countries in order to widen our decent network. For sure we will exhibit next year. I hope it will take also in October, and we will be happy and glad to be back again. I want to say thank you very much to the organization. I want to say thank you very much to all of our visitors. We have a very good time at the exhibition, and I hope everyone stays healthy. So see you again in 2023.